everyone! In this video, I will draw twin bees. I hope you will like it. Let's draw it together. Let's color it. Yellow color. Black color. Skin color. Sky blue. If you like it, then please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video.